क्षीरसागरविहार अपरिमितघोरपातकविदार क्रूरजनगणविधार निगमसञ्चार सुन्दर शरीरा क्षीरसागरविहार सतमकाहितविभङ्ग श्रीराम शमनरिपु सन्नुताङ्ग श्रितमानवान्तरङ्ग जनकजशृङ्गार जलजभृङ्ग क्षीरसागरविहार राजाधिराजवेश श्रीराम रमणीय करसुभूष राजनुतललितभाषा श्रीत्यागराजादि भक्तपोष क्षीरसागरविहार अपरिमित घोरपातकविदार क्रूरजनगणविधार निगमसञ्चार सुन्दर शरीरा क्षीरसागरविहार क्षीरसागरविहार अपरिमित घोरपातकविदार क्रूरजनगणविधार निगमसञ्चार सुन्दर शरीरा क्षीरसागरविहार सतमकाहितविभङ्ग श्रीराम शमनरिपु सन्नुताङ्ग श्रितमानवान्तरङ्ग जनकजशृङ्गार जलजभृङ्ग क्षीरसागरविहार राजाधिराजवेश श्रीराम रमणीय करसुभूष राजनुतललितभाषा श्रीत्यागराजादि भक्तपोष क्षीरसागरविहार अपरिमित घोरपातकविदार क्रूरजनगणविधार निगमसञ्चार सुन्दर शरीरा क्षीरसागरविहार
कृष्ण Me and my adventure with the glacier. Okay, see. How beautiful that is. This is the trail with which you can go see, and it's so huge. It's as big as the capital, it seems. See. See how big this glacier is. It's just going and going and going. There's no end in sight. We were told that it's as big as the city of that Buenos Aires. Whatever, Sandeep won't like the way I pronounce it, but whatever. So, this is the path in which we go. Beautiful glacier here. Once in a lifetime must-see type of attraction. You need energy to go up and down the stairs if you take this trail to walk. So better come when you have energy. Magnificent views, closest point to the glacier. This is the walking trail. It's as big as the city of Buenos Aires, it seems. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but that's fine. See, beautiful.
Mira, hay un sendero en la...
Beautiful view of the glacier. This whole thing is the glacier. Those are the mountains with snow. And that's the water. And we walk in these trails all the way to the foot of the glacier.
Yeah, good.
क्षीरसागर विहार अपरिमित घोरपातक विदारा क्रूर जनगण विधूरा निगम संचार सुंदर शरीरा. Agent was saying this is the Milky Ocean. For me, Milky Ocean means Krishna is here. Kshirasagara Vihara.